Hi, this video is to show you how to redact within an Adobe PDF document. Redaction is used for hiding sensitive information. If you want to hide somebody's first and last name, a birth date, social security number, things like that, this is the video that will show you how to do so. So the first thing you want to do is open up your document. Now redaction works not only on words, but it also works on pictures, and we'll do some redaction with Mr. Smiley down here. So the first thing we want to do is go to Advanced, and that's in the toolbar at the top. We're going to go to Advanced, and we're going to go to Redaction down here at this drop down, and then this drop down is going to extend out to another sub drop down, and you can use these within the toolbar. However, I'd like to actually see the entire toolbar itself, just so that I have all the options available and I don't have to keep going up to the top of the window here. Let's pick a word that we want to redact. So let's say reader. For some reason we don't want outside parties to see this. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark it for redaction, or actually, let me rephrase. You're going to click mark for redaction and then highlight the word that you'd like to redact. And once you've highlighted it, if you roll over, it's going to show exactly what it's going to look like. Okay, so no redaction actually takes place until you click apply. So once you've chosen it and you kind of like the way that looks, and say, you know, I want to redact this as well, I've got a couple things here, I'm going to apply these redactions, and it's going to say, are you sure this is permanent? And of course I'm very sure, so I'll press OK, and I'm going to say yes. And yes to that window is basically saying you want to remove more data. You can remove the metadata within it and delete hidden page and image content. This is kind of just a special preference. If you choose to do this, I'm going to say yes, just because I'm very secretive about Mr. Smiley. I'm going to say remove all checked items. So here it's going to tell you exactly what's been removed. I'm going to click OK. So that's how you redact. Now I know a lot of people, they have 500-page documents that they need to do some redaction within. So another thing you can do is you can click search and redact. And this is just giving you a little warning sign, making sure. And here it's going to ask, what word or phrase would you like to search for? I'm going to put software. Okay, and in the current PDF. Now you can do it within all PDF documents in a specific directory and location. For now, I'm only going to do it within the current PDF. Another thing is whole words only. This is something you have to be careful of, because, for instance, if I had the word he could show up within, you know, words halfway through and stuff. So if he, the entire word, is something you want to get rid of, then you would click whole word first only. So I'm going to type in my software word, okay, and then case sensitive. I'm not going to make it case sensitive, and I'm going to search and redact here. Okay, so what it's going to do is it's going to run through your document, and it's going to show you all the different places that it's found it. And here it says results, and you can check all. Okay, so I'm going to just check that one, and I'm going to say mark check results for redaction. So what that's going to do now is it's going to mark it, and once again, no redaction takes place until I press apply redactions. So I'm going to apply that. It's going to give me another warning. I'm going to say yes. And then here I'm going to delete the hidden page and image content, and there we go. So now you have text that has been successfully redacted. Just to show you, and we're going to go back and get my toolbar back, just to show you that you can do images as well, specific images, if you don't feel like it's something that you want to show somebody. You can take your crossbar like this. You click mark for redaction, and you select the item that you'd like to redact. So when you roll over, it will show you what exactly it's going to look like. So if you're satisfied with that, you're going to go up, apply redactions, you're going to say yes, remove all the checked items, and OK, and there you go. We have a completely redacted document here. So that is how you do redaction within a document, an Adobe PDF document.